So I've got 2 sticks running for my start. One is going to come behind and one is going to come in front of the next one. So we are moving from the left to the right. So I've come in front and behind. I'm going to put my hand right there to hold that. And then the stick that's in front, you can see here, this one's in front. It is going to come behind the next. And it comes down. And I've got a crisscross right here. And this stick that was on the back side is coming down and joining those front ones. And again, my hand is going to hold right here. And I'm going to move those front pieces are going to come behind the next one. And this tall one here that's now sandwiched is going to come down. And it's going to join.
I'm sorry, I got your head in the way.
It's going to join this front, like here. And now this comes around. So that I've got always this crisscross that's happening. And if I'm holding right at the point where I'm needing to control and kind of wrestle these branches, then I can bring that one down to join in front, and then all of those come together in behind. And whatever was behind is now coming in front. And if I keep it fairly low, I'm gonna have more length for running. If I start to get too high, then these aren't going to be in enough length to go back and forth over enough spokes and stay connected. So you want to kind of keep working the fence a little lower. We've got knee pads to use, but that's it. Thanks, Sheila.
Okay. Would have been. Stop. Come on.